Hey everybody, this is cabin 9016. This is a cozy interior. As we came in, on my right-hand side is your closets. There's 3 of them. You'll have shelves. Your safe is in there. There's hanging. Plenty of place to store some roll-on luggage. The rest of your luggage, obviously, you can put under the bed if you want. Speaking of beds, here it is, and it's king configuration, or you can separate them to be 2 twins if you like. Love the picture behind there. We've got our wallpaper here, our palm trees on that side. Over there, we have some pictures of some parrots, of course. There's no power by the bed, except there is USB on the lamp. Across from the bed, we have our TV area. We have a mini fridge. There is US and European, and that is it for there. A little ice bucket. There's also some drawers on this side. Let's go take a look at the bathroom. Toilet is in a great place for someone my height at 6'4". It's also great from a width standpoint, so if you're a little on the fluffy side, that's good too. Nice corner shower, everybody. You got your lotions and potions already in there as well. From the sink, single basin sink, nice big countertop, makeup mirror, 4 shelves. There's power up top. There's even some storage down below. So there you go. So there is your normal cozy interior. Living on island time. We'll see you on the next one. Ciao.